akudingi isikole, akudingi 5-0, akudingi A-level, akudingi college, akudingi ini yabo. Yiphi ingoma esizwa amasamba estaradeni?
Obvious imali yesigweja madoda.
Yabo.
Imali yesigweja madoda.
Lenye lo 1 million fokofa siyazi thina sizwela lapha ku TikTok kuphelele lapha yabo. Uma lesigweja ngiyamuza mina ku TikTok. Ngibuye ngiphinde ngimuze futhi mangizihlalele. La nca ngafika eBhawa ngimuze.
Shone vele endene ayijika ina steering bafethu udriver akekho iyazivayela nani niyazi off the record Home Face bathi ngumpumelelo Junior Moyo kodwa ikasi bathi nguKB Casanova the locust leli bombe leqela abantwana makuvela ina kuhlanya abamnyama nama yellow born bethi so delicious. Yes, namhlanje into engijabulisa namhlanje on this episode angihambe ngiyi-1 ngihamba lenkulusi liyazi amankulusi mangithi amanduna. Yes, one of the greatest producers akobulawayo oserekhodile angazi mana ngingazi vele ngingasho amfuna uchayinja amfihla umphini ngifuna ukuthi umuntu lo as introduce ngenzelele lina elingamaziyo but it's one of the greatest producers mina engimaziyo and vele le ngiyasalute King.
Okay, uthe uswarekhodele ubani na uhleli
kusiqamba lapha? Amfuna ukuqamba nduna ngoba sazowangena lami personally yake ngiproducele. Sure nduna.
Okay, thank you for having me my brother. Thank you for having me.
Danko.
Actually I feel honored to be here.
Danko nikala.
Yeah man. Otherwise ungangasiya ngazi ukuthi uhlala kuphi ukuyiphi eZimbabwe. Ayikuthi ngiyaqhoma. I'm just saying Ironomio obviously sponsor me yasazi yabo ungakwazi kuphela ukuthi yimi.
Yeah, yabona there is this thing ukuthi ama producer yabo especially even ama producer abayenza even la ku film and television yabo abantu babengabazi because lina you are people aba behind the scenes yabo.
Yeah, for sure.
Babe sizokhophana maybe ngaqala ibeat ukuthi bani yabo but lapha ngiphethe uStormza. Stormza, one of the greatest producers akobulawayo nxa ungazi uStormza angazi ukuthi uyaburekhoda ingoma enjani. I don't know, truly speaking, especially kobulawayo.
Yeah, especially in the City of Kings.
Exactly.
There is no way yokuthi angaze ngaspana lawo yabo.
Mangakaze
ngaspana lawo hayi.
Asazi ukuthi ucula.
Asazi ukuthi kabe kutheni.
Hayi ukuthi
yakusenza khona ukuthi ayidark lekutrendayo online yabo.
Exactly nduna ya.
But otherwise I'm here.
Ngamafitshane nduna ngubani uStormza nduna ya.
Stormza uput maningi umakasana.
Sure
is another producer from eKasi. Understand?
Yeah, ngiyayithola. So kahle nduna makonjela. Into le yokuproducer nduna yami uyiqale nini kahle?
I can't recall my dog. Uthi ngisho ukuthi ngaqala nini I cannot, but dog, it's been a while. I've been a producer for as far as I can remember.
I mean vele ukuthi ngiyamazi personally yabo so vele
lapho abangazi khona ndoda wezothi ungiproducer la. But officially ukuproducer at a larger scale, or let me say at a commercial scale, maybe 2018 buma lockdown I think. Yeah, I think lockdown gave us time, yabo.
All right.
Then I found myself because at that time before lockdown I think the lockdown because kungabi lockdown when I was supposed to go look for a job of a profession yami yabo. But lockdown hit yabo, then ngahlala endlini ngenza ihobby yami, then here we are right now yabo. So I think sokubuyo even lockdown seyidlulile wathi it's now pretty hard for me ukuthi ngithi I'm now going back to Hispania or I want to look for a job.
No.
Then I'm going to focus on
Kwampa.
Yeah, imagine everyone was there on lockdown. Artists, they want to record what. I think lockdown was a blessing for me. Though it was a curse to the world, I think the lockdown. Shout out to lockdown. Shout out to COVID-19.
Shout out to COVID-19.
I'm a product of COVID-19.
Yeah.
And shout out to my son also is a product of COVID-19.
My babo. Congratulations mtala. Ingakanani mos?
Boma 5-6 years I think. Yeah, 5 years.
Nah, kukuba induni. Kukuba induni.
Should mine 5 years should ngamiyenza ngo2019 angithi. Yawaphuma ngo2020.
Nice.
So when the COVID thing lethe into esichazayo nje.
Nice. Yes. So ndona makunjele ku producing kwakho laphana what type of producing ama ingredients akho uproducer as in what types of beats owayenzayo kumbe ule genre specific genre oyiproduceayo or uyenzani konke uyalokhuza ama vocalist and what
I do have a specific genre. It's called music.
Wena.
Yeah. specific
ngiyibambele
genre, yabo.
music
That's my specific genre.
umbrella term i-music
Ike ngikwenzayo khona okay.
whether uza la mangoma whether uza le hip hop whether uza lani kumbe uza lani imjondoro Ka imjondoro bayibuza njalo
Imjondori ichova
ichova lezi ezerumba lezi
whatever you call it khona ukhiyani yabona siyakwenza la
hayi danko nikalam
thina into esiyenza ngumculo.
So ndoda kunjele yini secret yakho ekwenza yini ule secret yini ekwenza ndoda vele uzube intswempo kangaka uzube blind alright yini ingredient yakho ukuthi lapha na mawupheke e-studio sakho ukuthi ama artist amaningi azazi athi afuna ukuya recorda ku Storms
ayi secret ikhona bro
ngifuna ukuyizwa phela le secret le labo bafuna ukuyizwa nto
i-secret ayitshelwa umuntu. How can I tell you a secret, my brother? It's no longer a secret if I tell you.
Umphambanise ukuthi i-secret. Alright, yiphi ingredient yakho kena liyana nduna ethi hayi la
iyo phela i-secret ingredient. I-secret ingredient, yabo.
Alright.
Yeah, but I'm just kidding, man.
Yeah.
I think when you do your job the right way, people are gonna come through.
Yeah, man.
Understand?
Yeah, man.
Wonke umuntu uzobuya. I feel like that's how it is.
Yeah. So for example abantu bayacabangela ukuthi lamanga kumbe especially phela abantu abangazi lutho bayacabangela ukuthi silamanga. So iwapha ama artist nje also wa recorder nje wena ungathi lawa ama artist abantu abaningi bangaba abazi so wa record maybe ungani listila nje
a few angithi vele ngibuye nomacala wami silayo Mr Perfect. Ukuthi nje kafuna ukurelease ingoma kodwa ulazi ingoma eshayayo.
Alright.
Uyabona indoda abaningi indoda. Namhle ngicese ngirecord abantu abayiphiwa abatsha. Already yabo. But let me talk of ama names nje ongani uyawazi. My first encounter le celebrity umuntu oyaziwayo popular was ASF.
Alright.
Then Slo Madlela. Sithi Slo Madlela Slobani silabo Sipho Mesend silabo Manayini eHarare Slo Madedido actually shout out to Madedido ihapatha whatever the case ngilento esichuna naye also he got Silent Killer is on my rhythm hey there's a lot indoda
lezo madoda
Angiyabona lapha ngizama ukuqamba amabiza apopular.
Exactly, asingasabali nje.
I think umuntu opopular mina engakasipanela eBlawayo ikhuphi Sandra Ndebele.
Alright.
Yabo I'm talking about abantu abayenza urban music.
Alright.
Aba popular the only one person engakasipanela nguSandra Ndebele. Yabo that's the only person.
Anlebo selizathi lamanga. Selizathi lamanga ngikho ngithe one of the greatest producers especially mina ngimazi actually I think he's the greatest producer hayi lapha ngumbono wami nxa ungafuni ngokwakho ancengi futhi
uthando mina ngiyakuphikisa
yini hayi mina ngowami umbono usungamphikisi wami umbono nduna
indoda abakhona abantu abashayayo phandle
nduna yes bazaba khona nduna actually bakhona yes siyavuma abantu bashaya nduna yamani but mina I shout out to you nduna because wena uthuna izinto ezinswempo bra.
Thank you my brother.
Uthuna izinto ezinswempo bra. Alright sisakhuluma ngezinto ezinswempo zenezinduna yami. Alright asikhulume ke ngemusic landscape yethu yena khona lapha koBulawayo singakangeni ku Zimbabwe ezeHolland. Wena njengoproducer ubone ngani imusical scene yethu yakoBulawayo is it ilesisindo yini naliyana kumbe kule ndawo lapho abantu kumele beimprove khona ucabanga ukuthi asikafiki ku potential liyani ukuthi sesilaphana yabo because ungananzelela kathesi nxa kulama greatest events khona lapho ukhangela ngo December kubuya ama artists from South Africa njani you know koBulawayo ubone ngani sisalekha yini injani ilokhuzene music landscape yethu
the musical landscape especially as of this year ndoda this year kuyanyiwa madoda I'm sorry to say the word yabo but this year kuyafiwa
hayi bamunyiwa kuyanyiwa ba
I've seen a lot of artists pushing besibale ingoma ezinswempu I don't know I think everything is coming out together now yabo it's coming in together because uma ngikhangele ama hits esilawo nje even anotiswa ngabantu even ama videographers lawo they are doing their best yabo everything nje I think oBulawayo or let me just say Mathebelele ndani is coming because akusikuthi eMathebelele asilawo ama hits
Yeah, for
Uyabo
sure.
into yangikhona.
True.
Nami nginje I've produced ama-hits for ama-major artist and also I'm a vocalist. Esengike ngayenza nama ama-hits yabo.
Exactly.
Uze mova uthi hey but konkhana ukuthi maybe ama-sponsors lani bengafuba involved.
Yeah.
Yenye into esibulalayo yabo or they think we're from SA vela basidingi.
All right.
So asila trademark.
Ngiyakuzwa
Yabona
Nduna.
i-trademark leya ukuthi nqamuntu elalela ukuthi le iblawayo achathi
Eh.
lo ngifuna ukumsponsor ama-sponsors mayenza izingoma zibacane SA.
Yeah.
Yabo into engikho.
Ngiyayithola Nduna yami.
But right now mama ngathi mina ngikhiphela ama-hits amaningi kakhulu especially asuke eblawayo as it is right now we got chasing mse bathi ukhipha ingoma lo Black Major labo Plastic Gentleman yabo I'm sure u-FabG wonke umuntu uyayazi
Imali yesikwetsha. Imali yesikwetsha ngoDecember.
Shout out to Fabulous anyways yabo. Then Slobhana uma-9 ndoda ukhiphile ungizibambe ngebilebile ethiwa ngumvule
Ngikhipe yonke.
Shout out to you man also.
Yes,
yabo.
But
We have a lot going on, bro.
Yeah,
We have
but
a lot.
especially-
and also I had to Thawubanda lo ntwana lo uchuni hip hop uBreezer.
uBreeze.
Yeah, he's been nominated. Actually bamchile kuma hip hop awards ethangithi. But bamnominate ku twayini isimi hip hop. Bamchile ku BA bamnominate ku isimi hip hop.
All right.
That's a whole new level.
Yeah,
Went down
man. Yeah,
well.
man. True.
So at the end of the day I don't get why ama BA ehlule ukuthi a nominate umuntu onjengayena lo basuke bayino umuntu lo wasuke nominate eHarare. So nxa le umuntu sehlala eHarare sengani byproduct eHarare kubeni eblawayo uyabo into yangikhona. So I feel like
obvious.
things should change. Abantu abaphezulu basokumele batshintshe izinto.
Yeah, man.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's a very serious issue
La
because
amakhehla phezulu la yenza amablawa art awards lani njani labanye abaorganize ama-show yizirabi ibo Saturn kahle yabo
Yeah, man.
i-cancer kumele sikhathe out.
yeah,
Understand?
true.
Yabo because nxa umuntu acceptwa kwizimi hip hop eHarare kodwa kibo eblawa enganominate, what does that mean?
Vele kube kuhambe njani?
It doesn't make sense because kwi-hip hop mina I've seen uBreezer doing it. Understand?
Be nominator lo member lo oyenza ama TikTok ohlanganisa isindebele lesishona.
Okay, shout out to TX Techie.
Yeah, man.
I don't have a problem with
La
TX
man,
Techie.
nila
I'm a
problem
fan
la.
of TX
But
Techie.
I've never even heard an official song.
It doesn't deserve to be there.
Yiko phela
You
ngotsho.
understand? Yeah. There is a lot yabo ayahlulekiko bagcina bengizonda.
Alright. Ngiyakuzwa Nduna. But anyways, asichange asifihla umphini Nduna. Uyabona kuqhakathekile ukuthi abantu bebelazi iqiniso Nduna. Ama facts ngama facts yabo.
Facts,
Angeke sibe silokho esishuka khotha ezinye izinto yabo.
Bonakala.
Because yabona mina personal and yabona njenga this year. I think especially koBulawayo yikho okuzaba vele okay. Shout out to FabG. Shout out to even Black Diva le ngoma yakhe nalo Sikhosana.
Though I'm not a fan of Black Diva, shout out to Black Diva.
So because into enginanzeleleyo khathesi kuze kwaba le song yokuthi abantu bazayigida December coming straight from koBulawayo.
But I say it's not simply because of Black Diva. We like giving Black Diva credit.
Hayi ngiphanga ngikho ngifake lo
Yabo.
FabG.
Alright, sharp. Okay. I mean, I understand that part. Yabo. Shout out to Black Diva. Shout out to everything. Asime lapho Black Diva mana ima. Asime lapho. Yabo uyaphusha. Yabo but actually
Alright.
But mina it doesn't make sense to me ukuthi sibe lengoma ele 1 million views. Ake silengoma ukuthayile 1 million views eblawayo in less than a year.
Yes.
Kodwa ke mangihamba estaradeni uFabulous ulengoma ingaki 70k mangihamba lapha mina ingoma engizwa ngaFabulous lo 70k views lelo 1 million mina hayi angiyizwa ngisho masinga ngama-booking manje ndoda uyabo ngitshela ukuthi lo umnikazi wengoma le eku 1 million akala ama-bookings adlula lo lengoma yakhe ku-70k umali yesigwetsha yabo. So what does that tell you about imethi zakhe?
Okunye yabona Nduna, I think personally lapha ngulongo wami umbona. Personally I think umuntu lwana ngihle ngingathi umuntu lwana oBlack Diva personally and I think kulama strategies akhe especially amanye bayathanda abanye abantu abathanda.
Mina angikhulumi ngamoBlack Diva, mina ngikhuluma ngengoma ele million ngengoma ele 70k.
Yikho phela ngifuna ukukhuluma khona. Alright, i1 million yakhe. Alright, asenze so ingoma ele 1 million alright yena liyana uzi reach 1 million yini abayithandayo khophana entweni yena liyana ngeartist la khona elikhipha ingoma ele 1 million.
Right. I don't wanna say much. Angifuni kuphawula. Because angifuni ukuthethiswa. Yabona. But kodwa it's evident. Yabo these days ama views ayathengwa.
Alright.
Yabo ama views these days. So organically mina ngibonile ingoma lana ipushwa but digitally I feel like lele 1 million kudlaliwe umlabalaba phakathi yabo
vele ndatha change asifihla umphini facts are facts nxa kuyikuthi kuthengiwe
but it doesn't make sense to you, let's be honest.
Ayizina yabona le asiyekele
ndini sikhangele ngelihlo akudingi isikole akudingi 5O akudingi A level akudingi college akudingi ini yabo yiphi ingoma esizwa amasambe staradeni
obvious imali yesigweja madoda
yabo
imali yesigweja madoda
lenye lo 1 million fokofa siyazi thina sizwela lapha ku TikTok kuphelele lapha yabo uma lesigweja nyamuza mina ku TikTok ngibuye ngiphinde ngimuze futhi mangizihlalele la nca ngafika eBhawa ngimuze
vele nje asebhawa bekhala kumbe kwamphinda kangaka ingaka
so wena usubuza ontshethe enye ingoma ile million views
hayi kusho ukuthi alright hayi kusho ukuthi hayi yi media landscape
asikhulume ngaye even u900 u900 la ingoma esizafika 1 million yes it's fine anyways but singabe staradeni mbano umanena wayekela ukumusa staradeni
umanena uyamvele
akekho umuntu ongamaziyo
umanena 900 yikho bengithi mina ku last episode sekumele simbize ngo9000
then lo sisi lo elokhuzeni yakhe lo akasichiye thina akasiyekele phela kulomhlukano ekuthini wena lwana kahamba yavula iOnlyFans anyways I think she would make a lot of money
my babo
yeah I suggest
hayi ngiyawuza umbono nduna hayi ngiyawuza hayi khona kunjalo nduna yami yeah otherwise ngiunderstand nduna yami suke usebenzela ama artist amaningi kulento phela ezenzakalayo e-studio lapha so akunjele yini into nje weird or most surprising thing yake i-artist ikucele yona kumbe yake iyenze ke e-studio sakho
I think kulabantu abarecorda baze bakhale but I understand music is an emotional thing and kulabantu abarecorda baze bakhale abanye abantu bavukelwa amadlozi abanye bangena emoyeni uyabona into yakhona there is a lot that goes down at the studio uyabona abanye bafuna ukuncengwa kodwa into ekhona e-studio thina ngeke sikuncenge yabo uzoncengwa mbani
ngicebo nyoko
yabona leyacherry yaqoma babakho yezokuncenga uyabona
ngiyakuzwa
ngoba noma ubuye e-studio ubuye prepared
for sure
but anyways we try to make everyone feel comfortable I feel like I'm one of the producers ali hospitality
I can vouch for that
uyabona into yangikhona maybe ukuthi nje bensemakasana phela mase ekasi yabu cooperate lawe
obvious
abantu abaphuma ekasi ba understand ama situation more than abantu abahlala kuma babes and all that yabo but there is a lot I once had someone wabuye egqoka i-attire yonke eyamapostori so shout out to Jamas anyways
STD
yeah man
king
yabo so the liga is weird yabo ekasi kulo Sneyman wabotshwaye I remember his song was like mapholisa ngithi chiyano I don't wanna say the name yakaza ukuthi promote amalokuzeni
alright
anyways it's what it is yabo like I think that's one of the most weird people I've ever seen. Understand? Jamas is so weird, but I understand Jamas to the fullest. Then one omnye umuntu futhi weird in the studio. I think Sipho Mesent.
Umadola
Deals indaba zabantu. That's one of the hardest people to record. Uyabona usipho ma ukuthi vele lehlile ukuzisisana from the get go ali record yamhlula le yanto
lazibe ngifuna ukubuza vele my recorder yena usipho ngendlela akhuluma ngakhona uyakwazi ukuthi mic iya recorder ayifuni
loud
uyakwazi vele ukuthi mic ifuna
usipho is very loud ukuthi more recorder yena mic uyifaka kuko futhi kwi-quarter past is it quarter to let me just say quarter to mawuthi you understand i-interface lapha manje yeah uyifaka kubo 15 yabona there uyifaka ku 30 center lapha
ish
uyabo usipho uyamemeza nje
wena nduna yaman angeke ngibuze kakhulu ngama hardships but everyone ulama hardships nduna yaman ku production career yakho from lapho suke khona up until now usuzorecord abantu abablind abantu abaziwayo Sandra Ndebele even up to khona leMpumalanga eHarare sofikile nduna wabarecordela usuke wahlangana yini lezi zinto even singasabali ku production career yakho even sesikhuluma ku music industry iwapha ama challenges ongathi wena uwafesile kumbe afeswa even la ama artists in general?
Brother, is a lot. Everything that has affected in economics has affected economical state.
Hey, umnotho.
Political state has affected.
Ezombuso.
There is a lot. Even nje into zethu yangazi lithi yini ngesilungu le ibelief yabantu. Like what people believe in.
Right. Ukuthi abantu bakholwana.
Bayithi yini? Religion angithi
faith or religion
religion yabantu la yes affect futhi wento yankhona because imawusuke kobulawayo especially when adinga music for bulawayo kulendlela okumele ugqoke ngayo kulendlela okumele ucule ngayo kulendlela okumele ubukeke ngayo singabantu besintwini wento yankhona kwenza ukuthi sihlukanisele abantu beSA sibuye futhi politically uyabona don't wanna say much on that but like kuya affect yawento ngikhona you have to choose your path right yabo sibuye ku economically imali vele ingekho kwekho umuntu ofuna ukubook iartist indoda
avela umnothweni indoda
mina personally mabantu bengatholi imali kuma arts ukuthi ababuyi bezo record yabo but imagine wena ungafika uthole 1000 after ishow yakho ikima into uzobuya la uthi ngifuna ukurecord ingoma ezingaka then ubuye uhambe ku videographer ngifuna record into engaka yabo it brings kuba economy yabo iba i-world on its own because music world it needs a lot of money bro
lapho uqinisile ndona
into efuna imali
investment
ngitshela ukuthi kufakwa imali eningi lapha ukuze kuphume imali and akungela mali indoda akhanjwa lapha
and personally angazi mina ngokuya ngami I think amanye ama artists amaningi I think that's why angazi kumbe ngama hardships abanye even imali ihlupha ndona yami abanye vele personal abafuni uinvest yazi abafuni
not really ngeke ngasima artist ama-artists they do invest in it. There's a lot of videos adurayo ndoda ashutwa ngabantu. I think failure to understand ukuthi we need to invest more ku-marketing more than uyabona res you can come through record ungibhadale uhambe ku-videograph ungibhadale but abantu babhaja lapho ekuthini sokumele babhadale i-TikTok, i-Facebook nani i-FM ama-FM abhadala that's the honest truth singaze sithini uyabo I'm sure la ibona ikhuluma ne-FM ikhipha lento ya $50 ayenge $50 yakulinka kuma show so ama-FM abhadalisa
so akusela into ezamahala kulezi
so at the end then i-marketing yona it brings us to i-point kasisi wakho lo kade ngikhuluma it's fine wathenga ama-views it's okay for i-marketing karese ku-status esiblind bamhlonipha abantu first artist ematebelelende yabo akayifikanga organically yabo into yankhona at the same time itswaraphi into enzakalayo vele that's ama-awards athenga kwezinye indawo what yabo at the end of the day we have to accept that. So as an artist, I think we shout out to her anyway. She invested on a career. We need to invest more into music, marketing. I was watching this other thing. I find watching a 400k, watching a city in order to reach gold status.
When?
When they're going, wabuya wapinda wawathengisa futhi. But already and media is recorded to reach a gold status. And people want to know you because to reach gold status. So it's not a bad thing at the end of the day. It's marketing, my brother.
Yeah, it's marketing. We go to our strategies. Abanye abantu there are different strategies.
Yes, strategies.
Yeah man. Hayi ngiyakuzwa ndona. So all right, let's say ndona man wena personally let's ngakubuza ngithini wena which artist kumbe ngithi let's say you are so kumele ube le collaboration lapha wena let's say abafile kumbe labasaphilayo wena personally which artist ongafisa sibili othi la kaThesu uyafisa ukuthi ngifisa nje ukuthi one day kumbe ngike ngicollaborate le artist elinje angazi ukuthi sithi khona lapha eZimbabwe or even
nakubulawayo bonke abantu engafisa ukucollaborate lapha
so collaborate
singacollaborate lapha yabo then ukuthi mina sengaba more of I producer more than an artist yabo back then ngangifisa ukuthi ngani ngiyacula lapha but now akusangivumeli like I can now say hayi angifuni ungena kule ngoma ngiya provide ibeat ingoma bengeyami and all that yabo then maybe internationally maybe mangathola collab lo Central C ya international as a producer ngolo DJ Khaled or as an artist lo Central C then SA obviously DJ Maphorisa inzima ama producers I think Oskidi that's it for me yeah shout out to Chaman No Limits also but for me Oskidi yabo then Bulawayo I've worked with abantu engafusipana labo shout out to Tiflo the producer also I'm talking cause Bulawayo brand yeah I'm a producer maningi ama producer but abantu producer lecacaba luchwane
yeah you could tell you one of the greatest producers
luchwane
yeah because
shout out to Clive Beats also and let me think shout out to Tawa Larynx is a good producer also
alright
I think those are the only producers nembazi
alright
abayenza into ukuthi lamangelele nyathi these people are good
alright so ndona so njengawe unguproducer omkhulu so especially koBulawayo I know you have achieved a lot but what's your actual aim ofisa ukuthi lapha this is my aim kumbe this is where I want to go this is where I want to reach as a producer kumbe ufuna le energy enjani from kuma artist ozafuna ukusebenza la
no man yazi umculo unzima ukuthi ugeje yabo of course ngiyabe ngilayo vision yabona mina vision enganilayo to be honest this is not what I signed up for yabo
alright
kunzima la yabo uyisothi ngizoyenza so ngenze so but uzo discover ukuthi ukuthi uzofike la kumele uqale uyenze lokho yabo wena ngelihlo lakho lengqondo yabusjethi ngayenza so ngenze so but now usufika lapha usubonti kumele ngiqale ngenze so ukuthi ngisekele lapha lapha kumele ngiqale ngenze so
angiyibamba njaya
X amount of time spend X amount of money yabona why is it of what yabona there is a lot bro
hayi kakhulu ndona yami hayi kakhulu hayi ngiyakuzwa ukuthi uthini nika lami but into engiyifuna lapha kaRes ungenzele nantoni yabantu kulabantu nje abafisayo labo maybe kaRes nje umuntu wakhona usakwazi ukuthi uFruit Loops uyenziwa njani akakwazi lokuthi yabo but ulesifiso senisana sokuthi lama ngifuna ukuba ngiproducer lami ngike ngihlangane lama yabona ama celebrity yabona nxa ungiproducer so I celebrity sometimes yabo labanye thina sebesifuna ukucova ama picture yabona into ezinjalo yabo but yabona nxa uproducer those people come to you lo muntu okufisayo khona ukuthi lami ngifuna ke ngibe ngiproducer ngeke ngiproducele so much big artist yipi advice ongabanikeza yona ukuthi ama guidelines nje kuphela ukuthi labo maybe beke befike lapho ufike khona
kufika uzofika as long as uspana
sure
mina ngangisipana lami yabo ngafika akula formula kuthiwa kumbe mina ngayenzani kumbe ngayenzani angizange ngayenza lutho ngaqhubeka ngisipana kuphela abantu bezwe ukuthi ngiyasipana ngababona sebabuya bodwa uyabona sibona into yakhona
hayi ngiyibamba nje ya
because to be honest those popular people they're always searching for what's new so and futhi don't get fooled those people they want new people in the industry
vele kunjalo fana le motor ndoda singeshone drive
those people they're always looking for someone new yabo they want a fresh sound. So as long as you push mdala yabo they're gonna see you keep on pushing invest more in your craft yabo more than the numbers I feel like you need to invest more in yourself yabo invest more in your headphones in your laptop if you are a video producer in your cameras whatever the case invest more on that so that when those people come bakufica usenda enenja iswi ukuthi now lapha kuyasipanika
Yabona wena ngincanyela nentsha yami. Awutouch nje ngefield yakho kuphela yabo utouch nje ama-fields wonke ukuthi umuntu kumele asipane nje.
For sure.
Into engincanyela yana Stormza uthatha wonke nje ama-fields wonke umuntu whether uthengisa amatisi
Isipani sakho
whether
sizokumakhetha.
uthengisa impida usemsikeni whether uyenzani
Noma ulisela mdala. You have to make sure.
Ulisela.
Because mina mangihayisela ngithi yendoda ngifuna ngitshontshele
So,
inkukhu
akashaya
ezifoko
isibani.
umakhelwane.
Akashaya
Bese
isibani.
ngikwazi ukuthi wena siwatshontshe inkukhu ezingaka.
Exactly.
Ezingaka.
Iselele bene
I-reputation
portfolio.
yakho sibig. Uyabo into yakho. So you have to make sure ukuthi i-reputation yakho. I think work for the name. I
Yeah,
think
man.
Uzodla ngename uziyokufa.
Yaman.
Ayibizo lesidlangala kulo.
Hayi khona kunjalo andilezizwe lela majensi vele umuntu kuyakumela aspane kumele uspane because nxa ungaspananga awuyindawo so put much effort espaneni yabo nigga lami yazini ngiyancanya nje and ngithanda ukuthi ngikubonge kakhulu ukuthi namhlanje kwavakatshela lapha yabo off the record nigga lami ngathola i-opportunity ukuthi ngikhulume lo Stormza yabo lapha ndunami umblessile ndunami ngokuthi ukuze ufike lapha ndunami yesaya king yes khona lapha ku off the record lo Stormza one of the greatest producers akobulawayo khona lapha ku Junza Studios and this episode ingichazile kulabanye abakhulume ngapho osisi abanjani yabo and thina sincengi mawule problem ngokwakho kunjalo mphethe Stormza ku off the record ndunami. This
Shout
was one of the greatest opportunities
off the record.
Yaman.
To you guys.
Yaman king.
So I think I like being. I'll come for part 2.
Uzawuya for part 2 phela. Hayi jaya ngawuthola isandla sakho. Hayi danko. Yabona nan today vele it was one of our best episodes esibela off the record because wena ndunami awuchayi nje fihla umphini. Ngiyazonda abantu othi nxa bebuya lapha basaba ukukhuluma this and that and this and that. Yabusaba ubani no. And
music ayila mapolisa baba.
Exactly ndina yami kunjalo
ndina amapholisa nje akekho ozongibophisa ukuthi ngikhuluma ukuthi uzibani uhambe senza so uzibani uyaropa at the end of the day music politics vele kuyenzakala indawo yonke lapha nje sesiku-expose ukuthi we know yabo but otherwise ama-fans they are gonna be happy
noma yino yenza siyazi
yabo into yakhona ama-fans bona they focus on the ngama-consumers e-music.
Exactly.
Yabo thina ngapha ama-producers ithi sazi ukuthi abantu aba bapreacher la
antu yabona phela hayi thank nigga lami exactly into engebe ngifuna nale umuntu ocha ama-facts nje ama-facts ukuthi ubani uzazonda asinandaba thina asinandaba sifuna ukuthi la khathesi so masingena futhi ku-2026 sibekwazi ukuthi la kobulawayo i-music landscape yethu even le media landscape yethu siyakwazi ukuthi siyaphezulu not ukuthi nje hlala si-neutral nje si-one ndawo we have to elevate yabo yaman so danke nigga lami ngokuthi ube khona namhlanje bengiphethe uStormza one of the greatest producers akobulawayo lani liyazi phela mina umpumelelo KB Casanova yes ayijika ina steering udriver akekho iyazivayela off the record see you on the next episode danko.